Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I've come here to just have a talk with you guys, and because we are almost getting into our last month of the year. December is our last month of the year, and it is very, very special to me. Why? Because it is the last class of this year. I have experienced a lot handling many people who come to my mentorship. And I think uh, doing it for the last month, I feel like I need to tell people that once you come into my mentorship, there's something unique that you're getting into. And I'm not here to promote myself because I hate to do it. But why struggle outside if I can help you? Why would you suffer? And I have the knowledge. So at the end of the day, sorry if it sounds like I'm self promoting myself. Sorry if you think I don't need to tell you, but why would you stay there and I can help you? So, my mentorship program, the December class intake is ongoing. And what is special with this class is that they will be learning a new strategy that I've come up with. It is called BWA. BWA always stands for break, wait, and action. And in this strategy, it is very, very unique. Actually, I have back tested it for almost, I think, three months now, and it is working. I've given my previous students because in my mentorship program, the mentorship is lifetime. So even if you don't get a chance to learn, because I learn every day, so we might be in a class and I don't know something, and then the class ends. I still don't know, and it happens now I know, and the class was done. I always do that lifetime mentorship. I always call my students back and I tell them, I update them what I've been learning and what I've learned, the newest thing in the mentorship. So my students, my old students, I shared them the BWA. I did the videos, I shared with them, and I'm telling you, they have said it is an amazing strategy. I have two strategies so far that I've shared in the public. Oh, I have two strategies. WBB, weight box break, I have shared with the public, and people love the strategy. It is simple, it is easy, but I'm thinking to do an updated version of it because I have learned a lot. Like this strategy, it's like 7 or 8 months old. You can imagine how much information I've learned throughout the year with the strategy. So I still have an updated version of it. There are some things I have removed. There are some things I have placed there. So for me, WBB strategy is very, very strong strategy, and I've given it for free. But one thing I've decided, I won't be giving BWA because it needs a lot. It needs for me to teach you. It needs for me to tell you some things that are very, very critical. I don't need to come here and like like it seems like I'm teaching something that is not authentic, because I don't want to give one part then I say the other one. No. So for the whole strategy, what I've decided, if you have to come for my mentorship to get it. And BWA is something that it is very, very unique. Actually, it is very, very unique. So how do you join my mentorship? You join my mentorship by paying 40,000 or $400, and the course is 2 weeks, 6 classes. So the classes goes for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the physical students, and 3 weeks for online students. That is Tuesdays and Thursdays for 3 weeks. So that is all the information you need for my mentorship. So I have two strategies, like I've said. In my mentorship, I teach so many things. The strategy is the last thing actually I tell you, but you will learn so many things. So I decided just to do a video to highlight what I do. For me, I only train. I don't trade for people. I don't do account management. I don't deal with bitcoins. I don't do crypto. I don't do all those things that the fake pages seems to promote. I don't do all those things. My work is to here to teach you and to train you. I train for free on YouTube, for free. I've given signals for free and everything, but for paid mentorship, uh, it's for those who want that exclusivity or more time. And also, guys, I'm opening my signals. So December 5th will be my signals. So if you want to join my signals, this is the week to pay for my signals. And what I've decided is to charge 10,000. That's $100 per month, because I believe I don't want to attract just anybody, because if you charge $10 for signal, $20 for signal, I don't want to just attract anybody. There's a specific group. There are people who complain, oh, they are working, they don't have time. That is the targeted group I want. Or someone who wants, they have capital, but they are not confident with their analysis. I'm still targeting you, but I don't want to target everyone. So don't say, oh, your signals are expensive, because there is who I'm targeting, and it's $100. So if you think you want to join my signals, it's $100. That is 10,000. If you want to join my mentorship December class, it's 40,400 USD. And in that mentorship, I'll be teaching the new strategy BWA, and it is working. Very soon, you'll be hearing, or I'll be bringing testimonial, live testimonial, student making live money, like real money, not just testimony, not just empty testimony. Like student will bring like live testimony with results. So that's all I wanted to tell you. And yeah, take care. I'll be this the whole of this week. I think I'll be giving free signals, but from date 5th it will be paid. So if you want to join my signals, those who have been waiting, people have been asking me, this is the time. And I'm not promising, I don't know if January I'll continue. It's only for December, but it all depends with how we will see it. So if uh if I see it is helping people, we can continue January. But if I see, like, you know how people can be, sometimes they don't want to have patience. You know me, I'm a very patient person when it comes to analysis and the market. If people start disturbing me, oh, you have not sent signal. And you know, signal, you have to have the right structure, the right setup. So for me, if I see like people are not understanding, there is no way I can continue in January. But if I get that group, that targeted group, that they are patient, they are waiting for signals, we can swing trade for 1 month, we can swing trade for 1 week, 2 weeks. That's the right group that I'm looking, the group that we can trade together. So guys, that being said, if you want to join my mentorship, December is open. It is 5th. Signals is 5th. Any other thing, you can inbox me, email me. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.